Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So in this tutorial we will complete our home page coding and design it, and we will create all the remaining files which are needed for the home.php page. Okay, so let's start our work. So first thing first, we will first create this get users data.php file. So this will be created inside this include folder. So we will save this as get underscore users underscore data dot php and click on the save. And now we will create a php tags, and inside this php tag we will first create a connection to the database. So mysql underscore connect, then localhost, and then root. This will remain empty, and then my chat. After this, what we will do is to get a variable users. It will be equals to select all from the users table. Then we'll get a variable run underscore user, which will be equals to mysql I underscore query. Then we will pass the connection variable and then the dollar user variable. After that, we will add a while loop, and inside this while loop we will pass the row variable and then the user variable. It will be equals to mysql I underscore fetch array, and then we will pass the run underscore user variable. And now inside this while loop we will get the user ID, username, user profile, and the login details. Okay, if he's online or offline. So we get all of that, and now we will echo this. So inside this echo, what we will do is to create an li. I think we already open up the ul tag over here. Okay, and then we include that file, that get user data file, and then we will now we can use the li tag directly. Okay, because we open the ul tag in the on the home.php file. So now we will open up a div, close that div, we will give it space. Okay, what is happening? Okay, so now its class will be equals to chat hyphen left hyphen img, and over here we will show the profile image. So it will be equals to dollar user underscore profile. Okay, and after the image we will show the remaining details, the name and id and the login information. So for that we will create a div, and its class will be equals to chat hyphen left hyphen details, and then we will open up a paragraph tag, close that paragraph tag, and inside this paragraph tag we will open up a href. Href will be equals to home.php, then user underscore name. If a user click on someone's profile, then if for example this is my account and I am login from the Alizab's account and I click on Ali shares, it will show the messages with Ali share. Okay, so username will be equals to dollar user underscore name, and then we will close that a tag, and over here we will show the name of the user, and we will close this href tag right there, and we will close that li in the end of the code after we complete our php tag. Okay, so now if login will be equals to online, okay, remember O is capital and all the characters are then small. So if it is equals to online, then what we will do is to open up a span tag inside the echo tag, and then a li tag. I think not li, the I tag, and we will close that I tag, and set this I tag we will give it a class, and the class will be fa hyphen circle. Okay, and it will be equals to true, and over here we will type that online, and now we will just copy this echo tag, and then we will just type else, and we will paste this, and the class name will be circle hyphen o, and this will be changed to offline. Alright, and after this we will again open up the echo tag, and we will close the div, this div, and then the li tag. Alright, and now in the end we will again close the echo tag, and we will close the while loop. So I think the get users data is now done, and now let's get back to our home.php file and search for another remaining file. We will create this find friends in the upcoming videos. Okay, so don't worry for that. The get user data is now, the logout is also done, and now I think we need to design this home.php file. So first we will give a link to the CSS file, and the file will be saved in the CSS folder, and its name will be home.css. Alright, so now if we click on the CSS folder, new file, save this as home.css. Now we will design our home.css file. So now I will just pause the video and type all the CSS code for the home.php file, so to save our time. So I will just do all of that, and then I will just show you all of the CSS code, and I will tell you what this CSS code well done. Okay, so don't worry. So the first thing we are designing is the main section. Okay, it's on the right here, main section. So its border is 1px solid, and the color is hashtag 000, width is 100%. And guys, if you want to just type all of this code, then pause the video and just type all of that and then move on. Okay, so now we are after the main section, we are designing the left sidebar. Its color will be this, and padding will be 0px. Search box will be, we are designing the search box, its width will be 100%, padding will be 27px, and then 10px. border bottom will be 2px solid 000, and then form control, and then the search icon, then the search icon over. Okay, its color will be, background color will be this, border will be 1px solid, color will be this one, box shadow will be none and important. And after this, form control focus, its border will be 1px solid fff, and then after that chat left img, chat left details also, it will be floated to the left side, and then the left chat will be, we will just add a scrolling to the left side chat. Okay, so if the user want to scroll to see more friend, then he will be able to. And then left chat ul, the unordered list in the left side chat, its overflow will be hidden, padding will be 0px, and then ul and li in the left chat, its list style will be none, width will be 100%, it will be floated to the left side, margin will be 10px, 0px, 8px, and 15px. And then the chat left image, okay, the image of the left chat, I mean the profile image, its width will be 50px, and height will be also 50px, border radius will be 50%, text align will be left, floated will be fixed, border 3px solid. And after that we design the left chat details, okay, the user details, so its margin left will be 10px, margin left details, the paragraph tag will be, its margin will be 0px, color will be this one, padding will be 7px, 0px, and 0px. And after that chat left details, the span tag, its color will be this one, and then the left chat left details, its span, we are designing the span, and the I tag, its color will be this, and font size will be 10px. And then we are designing the details dot orange, okay, this is a div, so its color will be this one. And after that we're designing the right sidebar, its border left will be 2px solid, and this one, oh, my neck is hurting a little bit. Okay, so right sidebar will be this one, and then the right header, its border bottom will be 2px, margin will be 0, padding will be 0px. And then we design the right header, its border bottom will be 2px solid, and the color will be 000, margin bottom will be 2px, padding will be 0px, margin will be 0px, and padding will be also 0px. And then we design the image of the right header, its width, height, float, and border radius are this. And then we design the right header, and then the right header details, the paragraph tag inside the right header details. And after that we design the span tag in the right header details. After that we design the right side left chat and the right side right chat, I mean the messages box, okay, in which the message content will be shown. I think this for that. And then we design the side right chat, and then the right header content chat. And after that we design the right header content chat ul and the li tags, its list style will be none, margin topper with 20px. And then we design the right header content chat, right side left chat, right header content chat, and then right side right chat. After that we design this, and then the right chat text box, and then the right chat text box input types. And then we design the buttons for that. And then we design the span and the I tag in the left chat and the right chat in both of them. And then we design the right chat and span and I tag both of them. And then we design the span tag of the right chat, and then we design the span and the small tag of the right chat. And then I hope you understand this css properties, okay, and if don't, then watch css tutorials for that. And then it's content position, absolute top left and bottom will be 150px, and z index will be 1. And after that the right side right chat before, and then the content position top right, and then the media on the screen and max width will be 350, and display will be none. So if you want to write all of this css code, then pause the video and type all of that. And if you don't want to do that, then the link to the source code of the home.css file will be its link will be in the description, so check it out and copy all of that CSS and just paste it, okay, for shortcut. So I think the home.php file is work is now done. So now let's just save both of the files and let's just check it out in our browser. So as I refresh the page, it's looking ugly. So it says that get user data on line 24 unexpected. Okay, let me just check there. Okay, we already closed the while loop and we just add two brackets over there. Okay, so the design is now improving. Undefined variable on the 29. Okay, 29. So the reason it says that undefined variable, because we didn't start the session. Okay, so we will start that. I think after this doc type we will open up a PHP tags and then we will start the session underscore start. Okay, and then we will include the connection.php file. So we'll just type include hyphen connection.php, add a quotes, double quotes, and after that we will add an if condition. If not I set 10, then the dollar underscore session. It means that if the user is not logged in, then we will send them back to the signin.php file. So for that we will type that location signin.php and we will close that. And I think the session is start and also all of that. Now if we just save this and refresh our page, okay, just send us back to here. We need to log in. So if I just click on this sign in, it's still not saying anything. Let me just logged in again. Okay, it's still getting displaying as this undefined variable username on line 63. Okay, 63, where is it? Select R from users check. Okay, so we need to add an underscore over here. It's dollar underscore get. And if we just refresh it, okay, half of the errors are gone, and now mysql line numbers and expected parameter 1 on line 65 and 97, the same error. So guys, I just found out that why it is giving these errors, because we need to add an underscore in the username, because in the URL it's just showing another name. So if you just go to our users table, alright, ignore all, just go to my chat users, and in the username we will add an underscore and then an underscore, and right here we will just change this to spider underscore man, and I think that's it. And now if I just refresh this and click on someone's, it's still not working. Let me just check. So let's just remove this double quotes because we already end up that there. Let's just refresh now, click on someone's. Okay, so, and we also need to remove that one. Okay, So I think it still got some errors. So let me just check it. So guys, go to the get underscore users the underscore data file and remove that double quote and add a single quote. Also remove this double quote from there and remove this one also. So remove all of the double quote. Let me just remove it. So I just remove all of the quotes and let me just check it once again. Okay, so remove. Here we need a double quote because that one is for the echo ending tag, and these ones will be in single quotes. This will be changed to double quote. This one also. This one we also to double quote. This one's to double quote. And let's just log out. So now the URL is now set, but the names are still not showing. I was just checking my code from the old. Okay, so the username is not showing, and remove this s from there on the get users data.php file. Close this single quote over here from the home.php file, and now let's just save this and refresh our page. Now you can see that I am now online and the icon is not showing. So the reason that icons is not showing because I think we didn't add a link to that icons. So we already add the link. Let me just change this to 3.2.1 and remove the 0.12.4, and if we just refresh it, uh, hard refresh or hard reload, what is just happening? So I just copy that link from there and just paste it down below the icon link, and I think that design is all gone to the top because the bootstrap link is not the same. So let's just change this one to not this one, the .css to 4.3.7 or just 4.7.0 I think, and if we just refresh it, wow. So guys, I figured it out. If the icons is still not showing, but I just used my old links, you can just copy or just type these links right here. Okay, I just paste it down here. So these are the links. Okay, this one is for the icons, the glyco icons, and these are for the bootstrap. These are the links. Okay, use these links, and now if we just refresh it, now the icons is showing and the offline and online is also, but we still got problem over here. So let me just set that. So guys, I am still finding the errors, but you need to add this else condition after this if, and close that else condition down here. Okay, and the next error that I find that this so the next problem is this: we need to remove this s because the table name is, as you can see, is users chat. Okay, so right here, and then you need to change it over here, and where is it? Right here. So it's users chat, and if I just refresh my page, and the one error is now gone. Okay, it's now there is only one error on line 99, and if we just go to the line 99, so we didn't change the table name over here. It's also say that users chats, it's only user chat. So let me just refresh. Okay, so it's user chat. Okay, but we just correct the name to users chat. Okay, so after changing this table name, I will show you that if I just type something to Venom like hello and click send and check out my database, that I send a message to Venom which is hello and it is unread, and I just first send a message to myself and which is read because I read it, but the messages are not showing, so there is a problem. So let me just check it. Okay, so the error is this, it's users chat. Okay, not user chat. Now if I just refresh it, so here is the message as you can see, and when I click on the Venom, here is also the message, but it is not designed. So let's just design this. So if I just go back, so I think all the PHP errors are gone, but there are some errors, or you can say bugs in the design, because the design is not as we need. Okay, so let's just fix the design of the home.php file. And guys, first thing first, we need to add a script for the auto scroll to the bottom. Okay, we need to add that function. So I will just create that function, and I will just pause the video, and I will then tell you what we are doing in this function. Okay, so this is our function. This is scrolling down to bottom is the ID of this div, and animated, and scroll top, and then the ID, and the scroll height will be 1000, and then we again add a script. Its type is text and JavaScript, and then we add a $document.getReady function, and then variable height is equals to the window.height, and then we just head on to the left chat and the right header content, and its height is 92 px, and the right header content chat height is minus, not minus, 163 px. Okay, so I hope you understand this. So let me just save this and refresh the page. So now all of the errors are gone of the design, but we need to design this. Okay, because it's not looking so good. So let's just design that, and then all of our PHP and HTML and the design bugs and errors are gone, but we need to design this. So if you just scroll up, so guys, the problem is we already designed that in the home.css file. We just write the name incorrectly, so it is right side right chat, and this one will be, no, I mean this one will be changed to right side left chat, and then right side and right chat. Okay, so now if we just save this and refresh the page, then here is all. So you can see that it is changed, but it still get some errors. So let me just add some messages from the database. I will just delete the first one. Okay, and if I just go to this insert, sender username will be, receiver will be Venom. Message content will be hey. Message status will be on red. And then in the next time the receiver will be me and the sender will be Venom. Message status will be how are you. Oh no, I mean the message content will be how are you and status will be on red. And then go. So here are the messages. Look at this, we still got some errors, some more errors. On which line? Undefined variable in line 122. EIVER receiver. Now just save this and refresh the page. So now here is the message, but it's not showing correctly. So we need to add a BR tag, two BR tags after the span ending tag, and over here also. So now if we just save it and refresh the page, then you can see here is all the messages, my messages with Venom. So guys, you can now just see our beautiful, amazing, and what I just said look amazing. Look at this. There is all the users. There is the messages with my personal messages with all of my friends. Okay, Venom is also my friend. Just kidding. So I just type a message to him that hello, and if I just refresh it, it just say hello. Let me just add some more messages. So I just add some messages, but let me just get one more account. I will just log in as Venom and then I will just chat with him. Then I will show you to you that how this online and offline works. So now I just logged in as Venom, and now you can see that Alicia is now online. If I just refresh this, then now it says that Venom is also online. So I just click on here. Here is all of my messages. As you can see, if I just refresh the page, it just already automatically scroll down, because it is because of this function that we add right here. Okay, you can just copy all of this code from the code. I will add a link in a description for the source code. Okay, so don't worry guys. And in this video tutorial we beat all of the bugs and errors and finally get ready our page for chatting with our friends and families. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video, and in the next video we will work on this add new users button, and after that we will work on the change account settings, all of that. Okay, so guys, this is it for this video, and in the next video we will do all of that work. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe our channel Coding Cafe.